So I recently bought a DJI Mini 3 from Costco. So this is the Costco brand DJI Mini 3. And this is the opening of it. So we're gonna open it up. We're in my office. We're gonna open it up. I mean, it's on the package what it's got. That's everything in the back according to the bundle, the Costco bundle. So, well, so let's take everything out of the package. So we have our drone. Okay, with this portion right here, probably has all the instructionals. And then the controller. It's a big controller. It's a big controller. That is the bottom of the box. And this has I'm struggling with packaging. Aha, got it. Okay, lens filters, memory card, 64 gig, instructions, cabling with adapters, and spare parts. And that would mean that the battery itself was shipped on the drone. So let's go ahead and take the drone out of the package here. And there she be. Charge to activate the intelligence flight battery before use the first time. Well, no D. Not a bad little footprint. Battery buttons are on the side. Here. Pop the battery out. There's the battery. So, unlike my VTI, this looks like the battery charges on there. Upside it charges by a C port. And it looks like unlike the VTI, it looks like the SD card is exposed externally right there. It's got a cover. Looks like it's got some plastic on the camera. Going through all the removable before use things. Okay, so there's the drone. Let me put the gimbal back on. Looks like there's some foam right there too behind the gimbal. And then you get all the plastic. There you go. There we go. I'll put the cover back on. Okay. Put the cover back on. There's the spare propellers, cabling, it's a screwdriver, and the controller. Let's open the controller up. Seems got some weight to it. Decent amount of weight. It's about the size of an Xbox controller, maybe a Switch controller. So let's see. That's where my phone goes. And then the joysticks are on the bottom. That'll come out. Screw into there like so. That'll come out on the bottom. Screw into there like so. There's little prongs on the end. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Prongs on the end so you know your thumb is there. It's not slick. Right there for the controller, stove underneath that. And it's Apple based, so that's why there are these for us glorious non-Apple users. So there we have it. DJI Mini 3 from Costco. Opened up for your viewing pleasure. I hope you enjoyed. Once I get this thing charged up, I'll take it for a test flight around around the office and around everywhere else. And until then, thanks for watching.